Hi. Got my laundry hanging out. Got my lawnmower out. Gonna start mowing the lawns. What are you doing today? Are you being productive? I hope so. Is your business getting found? You might want to talk to me about getting your business on Google. bestcopynow.com. Yay, there. The lawns are done. The bird feeders are filled. Got some new seed. Let me show you. We keep it in garbage cans. Does your business struggle to get some traffic? It might not be your website. It might just be the way the website was put together. Maybe it needs a little help. That's what I do. I make websites work better. Schedule a Zoom chat with me. bestcopynow.com. I'll help you out.